Welcome back to TL's Hobby Center. Today, we're going over this thing is what's called a Mold King model car, and it is the GhostBusters, is what they call it, GhostBusters, their Cadillac. And this is a different brand. It's an off-brand of Lego of the sort. I don't know how this brand is. This is my first one buying one like this model from this company, so I'm kind of curious to know how it's going to be. They honestly do have some nice pictures of the vehicles. The model looks pretty good so far from what I'm seeing. They call it the Model S. Don't know anything about it, but the part number for it is 10021, and 603 parts. And I found this one on Amazon for roughly about $25-ish, I think. So I'm curious to know what we're going to get into on this. But all in all, it looks pretty decent. Specification, colors, and content may vary from illustrations. Just like kind of surprising, a lot of warning packages or labels on this thing for some reason. But yeah, I guess the brand's High Reek, something like that. Building kit for adults. That's all I'm really seeing. This just says with Lego Creator, so I don't know what this exactly is going to be, but I'm thinking it's going to be probably about as big as this box here. From the looks of it, looks like it's going to be kind of small, but that'll be fine. But I think that's enough talking. Let's get into this box and see what we got, because I'm pretty curious to know what we got in here, so let's go. Okay, so we have the box all opened up. And first thing we're going to look at is the booklet that they give you to actually build this. And as soon as you open it up, they have the decals right inside of all the rust spots and the ghosts to put on the vehicle. Obviously it's not going to be exactly movie accurate because that would be copywriting. That's why they call it the Ghost Bus. But the instructions look very similar to Lego designs, from what I've experienced so far in my time of building these Legos, because I've just kind of started getting into these. So this is pretty cool, and it looks like 109 steps to build this, and they show you exactly where every decal is supposed to go. Apparently we're paneling up every single piece of panel on this car, so that's going to be cool. So there's going to be a lot of that, so you got a bunch of stickers. You get one of these. We do our best to make our set perfect and take it very seriously. With a faulty one sneaks through, they at least tell you to tell them if something is broken, or they'll send, I guess, something else for you. Yeah, we can send you parts you need for free. Please take a photo and add it to your order. And that's pretty cool that they have a nice customer service. That's, I'm guessing the brand is High Reek. So that's pretty cool that they have that, just in case. I mean, no set is ever perfect. Even Lego even messes up, so it's understandable. But to start this off, we have 8 bags total, but there's 7 to build the body per se. So this is the bulk variety of what we're going to be needing. Then you got number 2, 3, 4, which they're all a bunch of small pieces, so you're going to expect them to be a little bit more, a whole lot more smaller. So I'm curious to do that, jump into it. I mean, it didn't look like they even used pretty much Lego pieces, but that's pretty cool. So that's pretty much all that they have in the box. So I think we're about ready to jump into this and see what we got. So let's start building it, and I'll let you guys how it is after I get everything built. So let's go. there we go. First impressions on this is actually pretty good. I'm pretty confident with this one, for not messing with this company before. But very happy with how this actually turned out. I wasn't sure with how the bottom was and the card being all flexible. Wasn't sure how sturdy this thing physically was going to be. But since I got the roof on, everything kind of stiffened up, so that's a good thing. Another thing is, it's pretty accurate to a Cadillac, is what I'm kind of surprised with how well they actually narrowed down the body of the car. Because Cadillac is one heck of a long car, and it's definitely hard to feature the Cadillac features of that. So, pretty cool how they got that in the front end. So I'm pretty happy with that. The back end also with the wings and anything that makes it like Cadillac, pretty much. We're going to do a quick comparison to see how big it is compared to some other models I've done. So, this is a wooden model kit that I did not too long ago, as you guys seen on my page. Yeah, it's a little bit shy of as long as this, and it says it is about 8 centimeters wide and 23 centimeters long. So, therefore, that's already a decent size, like a halfway decent size. Like, it's bigger than New Europe Champions. So move this one all the way since we don't need that. Here's it next to a Champions card. And it's definitely a little bit bigger, so they definitely increase the size of what you're actually getting out of this thing. So that's the Champions card. I also have a Jeep Wrangler that a lot of you guys seem to be liking to watch lately. So here's that next to that, and it's definitely a decent size difference. And then we'll move this one out of the way with a full-size Technic Lego, which in theory this car technically is Technic, but it's more involved compared to a Champions car, so we'll get to that more. But here's that next to the Batmobile from Robert Pattinson's movie. Then I'll show you what I mean by kind of more involved than the Technic series, or than the Champions. So one thing that kind of impressed me on this is actually that you can open the hood and you can see an engine in there, which I was not expecting that out of this car, to be honest with you. Which seems like a lot of these aftermarket or like off-brand kind of Lego sets, they tend to at least involve an engine into the car itself. If you come to the back, you put the trunk down, and then if you go to the side, pull on the door mirror, it'll show you the that the door opens up. And you can kind of see in there, you can kind of see where the seats are. There's 3 rows roughly, and then you can slide the their blaster packs back into the back of the car, but the glass doesn't open unless you remove the roof. But it's got a ladder set up, antennas, all the goods, pretty much of what you would see on the movie car. Pretty cool. They involve all the lighting up top. I mean, you've got red and white, and then blue, and then all the other blue sirens, or lights for the sirens. But all in all, this is actually a pretty cool car. I would definitely buy this one again. I'm hoping soon to be able to get the Lego full-sized, what do they call those, experts or creator cars that is a Lego kit. So I'm hoping to get one of those eventually. They're a little pricey, so we're gonna wait till we save up enough for it. But all in all, this is still a neat little figure to keep on display. I'm definitely gonna put this up. Probably replace one of my other ones with it. Not sure yet, but I think that's gonna do it for us on this speed build and review. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment if you guys built this brand before, or this car even. Let me know what you guys build. I'm curious to know what you guys are building. So if there's any other brands kind of like this one out there, let me know. But other than that, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video. Keep on building.